Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something very interesting. I'm sure most of you do not know about this new WhatsApp feature, so I'm going to be revealing to you right away. But before I do that, I want you to do me a favor. Please go down the comment section and type in WhatsApp, alright, so that other persons can get notified about this video. Alright, okay, so let's dive right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go to your business profile dialog right here. So once you click on the business profile, you'll be brought to this dialog. Then you want to scroll down to where you have advertise on Facebook. Okay, it says create ads that lead to WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has added a new feature that allows you to create ads right from your WhatsApp. Before now, you could create ads from Facebook and redirect your prospect to your WhatsApp. But now you can create your ads right from your WhatsApp to Facebook and back to WhatsApp. Alright, so once you create these ads on WhatsApp, it gets to Facebook. It gets to Facebook. Then people who click on the ads will be redirected back to your DM on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's see how that works. So you should go ahead and click this advertise on Facebook. Click on it. All right, then it brings you to this dialog. Okay, it has three options or more, three options. It says you can choose one of your catalog products here. You can just simply choose one of your catalog product, or you can choose a picture or a video you want to upload, or you can pick from one of your status. Okay, I don't have any status update right now, so let's go with the catalog option. So once you do that, you click on next. Now these are my products in my catalog. Okay, so you want to pick a particular product you want to promote. I'll go with the third one, then you click on next. Then it brings you to this page. This is how your ad will look like. Okay, this is just an example anyways, but this is how your ad will look like. Okay, when it goes out on Facebook, then you want to impute a description, something really catchy that will actually catch the attention of those persons you want to. All right, then once you are done with that, you want to go select number of days you want to run the ad for. I see it for 5 days, so you can just use this notch over here to edit number of days you want to. Okay, so let's say 5. All right, and you can impute you can pick the amount you want to spend for each day. Okay, but if the option you're looking for is not here, you can go ahead and customize and type in the amount you want to spend. All right, so let's go with 5,000. So go back. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on this age and location space here. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to choose a location. Click on the first option there. Then you can pick any location. If your prospect is in Abuja, just type in Abuja and click on the search. Okay, it takes you to the Abuja option, then you click on it. So I'm targeting Lagos, Abuja. All right, so once you do that, it's done. Then you want to also select an age. You can just use this notch over here to edit the age stuff. All right, just using notch to edit the age stuff, and that is that for that. Then you can also choose the gender. Do you want to reach out to both male and female, or just males? Okay, then once you are done, you go back. Then the next you want to do is to add your payment method. I've made a video on how to pay for ads on Facebook, so please go look up that video on my channel. So once you're done, you click on create ad and your ad will be up and running.